this section, we look at solving problems using an equation. We're supposed to write an equation and solve for the statement a number decreased by 21. When we decrease, we're getting smaller. So n minus 21 is always means equals 13. So to solve, we're going to use inverse operations, and the inverse of subtracting 21 is adding 21. So we have n equals 34, and I'm going to check by substituting back into my original equation. 34 minus 21 is in fact 13. James spent 3 times as much money today as he did yesterday. If James spent $10 yesterday, how much money did James spend today? If we let yesterday's be x, then today he spent 3 times as much, so that would be 3x. And then they told us, by the way, that yesterday he spent $10. So if we substitute 10 in for the x, 10 times 3 is $30. When we're translating sentences into equations, it's important to remember what our vocabulary means. Quotient is the answer when we divide. Product is the answer when we multiply. Sum is the answer when we add. And difference is the answer when we subtract. So on number 9, it says to find the equation that best fits the statement. The quotient of a number and 5. Quotient is the answer when we divide. So I'm going to go my number divided by 5 is, always means equals 11. So they didn't say to solve it, but we may as well. So if we undo dividing, we're going to multiply. So we have x equals 55. And I could even check my equation that I solved by substituting back in. 55 divided by 5, the quotient of 55 and 5 is 11. So I know my answer is right. Difference is the answer when we subtract. So if we want to find the difference of a number and 34, so we could do n or x, whatever, minus 34 means equals 7. So to undo subtracting, we want to add. So we're going to add 37 to both sides of the equation. And I get n equals 44. And once again, I can go back and check to make sure it works. 44 minus 37 is 7. Yep. Deshawn tripled her hourly wage at work when she graduated from college. If her new hourly wage is $18 per hour, write an equation to show how much her hourly wage was before she graduated from college. Okay, it says she tripled her hourly wage, so if we let W equal her wage before graduation, her wage after is going to be 3W. So we know 3W equals 18. We divide by 3. Her wage before was 6.